Hello dear students, welcome back to Chemistry Wala Process e-learning. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about acids, bases and salts. So my dear students, first of all we will see about Arrhenius theory of acids and bases. So Arrhenius, it was a scientist. He has given the theory about the definition of acids. Okay. So we will see what is the definition of acids and bases according to Arrhenius theory. Okay. So according to Arrhenius theory, what is acid? Acids are the substances which on dissolving in water gives rise to H plus ions. What are acids? Acids are the substances which on dissolving in water gives rise to H plus ions. They are called as acids according to Arrhenius theory. So HCl and H2SO4, these are acids according to Arrhenius theory. Why? Because HCl on dissolving in water gives H plus ion. H2SO4 sulfuric acid on dissolving in water gives to H plus ions. Okay, so that's why they are acids. Okay. Now, what are bases according to Arrhenius theory? According to Arrhenius theory, the substances which on dissolving in water gives rise to OH minus ions. Okay. Now, the examples of bases are NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide on dissolving in water gives OH minus ion, and calcium hydroxide on dissolving in water gives 2OH minus ions. So the substances which on dissolving in water gives OH minus ion, they are called bases according to Arrhenius theory. Okay dear students. So these are the definitions of acids and bases according to Arrhenius theory. Now we are going to discuss about the classification of acids and bases. Okay. Now acids and bases both are classified as a strong acid and weak bases, a strong acids and weak acids, and a strong base and weak base. So first of all we will see about the classification of acids. Acids, they are further classified into strong acids and weak acids. So dear students, what is strong acid? A strong acid on dissolving in water dissociate completely and gives more number of H plus ions. Okay dear students, what? A strong acid on dissolving in water gives more number of H plus ion, or strong acid it dissociate completely in water when we dissolve in water. Okay, so HCl, it is an strong acid. HNO3 nitric acid, it is an strong acid, and H2SO4 sulfuric acid is also strong acids. Why? Because they dissociate completely when dissolved in water. Likewise, what are weak acids? So weak acids on dissolving in water does not dissociate completely or use less number of H plus ions in water. Examples: H2CO3 carbonic acid, CH3COOH acidic acids are the examples of weak acids. Likewise, bases are further classified into two types: a strong base, weak base. Now what are strong base? On dissolving in water dissociate completely and gives more number of OH minus ions in water are called strong bases. Examples of strong bases are NaOH sodium hydroxide, KOH potassium hydroxides. Now what are weak bases? Weak bases on dissolving in water does not dissociate completely and gives less number of OH minus ion in water, and the example of weak bases are NH4OH, ammonium hydroxides. So this is the classification of acids and bases. I hope all of you understood very well the concept of acids and bases and the classification of acids and bases. Okay.